Dire-diretso na niya eh. Para sa Showtime reserves. Steps back for 3.
Oh, would have been big. Yes, would have been big yan. So,
chance for a 3-point play.
Yes,
the traditional way.
Yan ang favorite nating malamig pa si Olieska. I'm pretty sure later on mag-iinit din yan.
Baylingo nakawala.
Ang ganda naman ng move na yun.
That is good para kay Baylingo.
Oo.